The name of the boat is Fandango.
Wait, the name of our boat is what?
I don't know. That's what I was wondering. Is it
Fandango? Hey,
Fandango?
I thought you said Mandingo.
Oh shit! That would have been better.
Yeah, okay. That is the new name of the boat. We are taking out a boat, but not any kind of boat. What kind of boat is it? Yeah. Something. Not a real boat. A better boat. A catamaran?
Yeah.
That was the word. We're going out on a catamaran. Allegedly. That doesn't look like a catamaran to me. Oh, but that is the Fandango. So that takes us to the Mandingo, which is the actual.
Yeah, they're coming.